Oh no, that's too much na. We're... Is it gonna rain? Is it raining? Oh well. Okay. Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. And today we have Teresa! AKA the TikTok famous Teresa.
I'm not TikTok famous.
Okay. She's gonna teach us how to make phone cases. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hashtag BTS. Hashtag ARMY. Hashtag Teresa Art. Okay, so I'm gonna flash here Teresa's TikTok. There. Go. Is it follow?
Follow, yeah.
Go
The
follow her. And then like and comment and I don't know what do you do on TikTok.
And
And
just like it.
like
You can
and
comment.
share
You can share.
and comment if you wanna see these. And then she's gonna open up a store soon, so stay tuned for that. Tink, 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 tink. Okay, so Teresa's gonna teach me how to make these cases, as in from the top. I have to design, mix. Am I also mixing?
Yeah.
And pouring the resin for my case. But then I don't have one for my phone, so we're just gonna use
An iPhone XS Max. Because I
a case
have 3 of those.
for iPhone 10X Max,
10S Max.
10S Max. So here we're gonna show you. Okay, this is the blank case. This one. See, it's blank. And yeah, we're gonna take you along with us in this journey. Goodbye. So first step, we're gonna get the inserts, the stickers that we'll use to decorate the phone case. Where are they?
No, keep going. It's at the back.
So these are all of the inserts that we have, the pre-printed already, the stickers. So I'm gonna pick the stuff that I'm gonna use for the design. I have some cutouts here, stickers actually, that we're gonna use to design the phone case.
We printed them and then
Cut them.
cut them with our machine.
Our silhouette. Okay, so I'm gonna pick my designs. So this one,
Wow. You just like this one.
because I want the dog. I already asked Teresa to print this before. I don't know, I'm not doing it right. The dog.
Okay.
And then what?
Then
A
two
background.
background pieces.
Okay, background pieces.
Forgot the tape inside the room.
Okay, so this one. This is a background piece.
Look at this. Read them.
You're alone for a reason, honey. Figure it out. Oh no. Here, put it. Show it here.
Can
Sad.
and then this one.
I just want someone to love and accept me for who I pretend to be on the internet. Okay. Wait, where's the other
I
ones?
don't know. Did you get one?
I
There
have
are
one.
More. There are more here.
Okay, that's it. That's my final answer. Yeah, this is the final answer. Okay.
Next.
Okay, so the next step is to peel out the stickers and stick them on here. Okay, so I have to remember how I want them to go.
You're gonna do them one by one, so you can just adjust.
Okay, so the base. Go straight. That's it. That's the phone case out. There.
Okay, we're done.
That's it. Thanks for watching. I'm just kidding. Okay, so this part is done, the designing part.
You can't even see because it's so bright.
It's so bright.
There.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna pour the resin. So word of caution, use proper protective gear
You can have.
when
I got you.
pouring resin.
I got you some. Oh, did I get too many? Yeah, I got too many.
So here,
Gloves.
okay, I have to wear gloves and a mask.
Official mask. I am official.
Okay, gloves.
Oops. How could they hear us? They won't be able to hear me. Okay, I'll just put subtitles.
Okay, so
Oh,
we have our masks
your
on.
father.
What's this?
Is that how it sounds like? No.
What's this?
That's resin. Just so it's easier. It's not messy.
Wait, so what am I gonna do?
For 2 parts.
Can I have Okay. Okay, faster. I can't breathe.
Ow. 2 parts of this.
2 parts of this.
2 parts of that. We'll just put subtitles. When you're using resin, it's best to measure the part A and part B. So it's the resin and then the hardener. Ow! Why does it hurt? Didn't hurt yesterday. I can't breathe. But it is necessary. Even if you have a hard time breathing, it's necessary. Just like when you go out without face masks. You can't do that. Even if it's harder to breathe, you have to wear a mask.
I don't know if they can hear you. at
We'll just
all.
use... Ah! How do you know? That one? That thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me? Ah! No?
Oh no, that's too much na. We're more than 2
Okay, stop
minutes.
mixing. Look at this. Just wait, man. 5 minutes. How do you smile?
Okay. 5 minutes is up. 5 minutes is up. And then now what?
You pour. Okay,
I think that's okay.
that's okay. And then next, you go in with your...
Where do we put this?
You can just put it there. You go in with a lighter. This was a shitty lighter. It won't light. I mean, like, it ignites. So that should be enough. So, like, you just use this to pop the bubbles.
There are no bubbles.
There are bubbles. See that? What's that? It's a bubble. That's so far away. Ah! It's not even turning. There, see?
Not working. Okay. So yeah. That's it.
Oh. Okay, so you have to leave it to dry overnight
Leave it to dry overnight.
with like something on top of it so that no bugs or dust lands on your resin.
Yeah.
And then
What she said.
just make sure it's away from kids, people, because the fumes are around. I mean, like you have to wait for it to cure before it's safe to be around it without a mask.
So we can't remove our masks.
No.
now. Okay.
That's it.
That's it. I'll do the outro later. There. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys liked the video and I hope you learned something, and I'll insert a clip after this of the final product once it's dried. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.
Peace out.
So this is the final product.